Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel, and in this episode we are at Sherwood Pines. Let's crack on. So today we're having a bit of a family day at Sherwood Pines. Ollie's coming biking with me, and little Tommy's having a little play in the Gruffalo Park on Mushroom Village. There's plenty to keep everyone entertained here today, even though the weather's a bit not so great. So let's go hit some trails. Right, so Ollie's bombed me out. Let's have a blast down the red route, see what it's all about. Yeah, let's go again. I think I must be out of shape, because this is hard work on an e-bike. It is pretty flat. Bit of a rock climb. Now that is just too easy. Rock drop. So this is the first time I've done it on an e-bike, and I have to say it's more fun. Nice little jumps. Next trail. What's this one like? A bit rocky. Few rollers. Oh, swirly bits. Nice.
I distinctly remember being more downhill than this. This is killing me. Oh, that's fun. Feel like a good berm. Oh, that's nice. Little jump out. And turn. Go in the tree. Roots. Yeah. Oh, that's fun. You alright, bud? Is Australia locked?
I don't understand how it works exactly.
Right, so it's locked into place because these get locked
Right.
behind here, and they're a right pig. What have I got? That's no worries, mate. Help out a rider in distress. And that's my good deed for the day. Then if it happens to me, hopefully someone will stop and help me. It looks like your lock's stuck. It's happened. Somehow your lock has got stuck.
No, I was only changing gears. I'm sure I was changing the front gear and that happened, but shall I change the gear or something? Will that
But we should be able to get it in a gear to get you sent back.
I think it's just all the muck and stuff, isn't it?
There we go. You see that bit there?
Yeah.
That shouldn't be there.
Right, that should be out or in.
That should be in here as part of this.
Ah, right, okay. And it's jumped out.
So, but it will work now. Nice gear for getting back.
Okay, nice one, thanks for that.
No worries, dude.
Do it without you. Thanks a lot, mate.
No worries, bud. So there we go, guys. That was a quick run round the red route, and I stopped and helped that guy out who got a bit of a busted derailleur. And the kids have been here playing football, playing in the park, and doing the Gruffalo Trail. I think we're going back to the van now for something to eat and a game of football. Crack on. Get it, Tommy, get it. Get it, Tommy, get it. Go. Yeah. Go. Yeah, kick, go.
Again, one more.
Wow.
Yay.
Go back.
Good work. Whoa, do the dance. Whoa. Right, so we've had a cracking day here at Sherwood Pines. This one's been sat on a butt most of the day, so she's happy. And the boys are just cleaning my bike for me. Doing a great job. You're doing a great job, dude. Cheers. Cheers, dude. Right, so Sherwood Pines, great place to come for all the family. That's it for this one. See you in the next one.